Take these steps to change your username on Facebook Messenger. The first step is to tap on the Messenger application installed on your smartphone. Once you're here, the next step is to tap on Settings. On tapping on Settings, you will see some options. Then scroll down on the page. You will see the username section. Tap there. On tapping there, you will see your current username. You can see mine is uzochukwu.mike. Maybe I want to use something different. Maybe uzochukwu.godwin. Alright, I will type Godwin. Alright, Godwin. Once it's available, it will show me. Maybe it's not available here. I will select maybe Godwin too. Alright, you can see uzochukwu.godwin. The next step is to tap on Save. And if you're prompted whether you want to change the username, select yes or confirm. But here I don't want to make any changes, so I will leave it as uzochukwu.mike. So just change your username the way you want it to be. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment, alright? Here we cover a lot on information technology. Thank you and see you some other time.